Okay, we're about to tour a one-bedroom study, and this is an open, vacant floor plan, and I think you're gonna like it. So let's walk in, and absolutely love this. So this is very different. This is more kind of a lighter look. It looks great. Absolutely love it. I'm walking in and just seeing a really nice big closet there. So that's pretty. And what I like is just, just the walk into this. Look at this, the ceilings are, I'd say that's 12 feet. It's really tall. There's so much light in here. It's just really pretty. And then look at this nice kitchen. It's just so light and bright and pretty. Just delightful colors. It'll really, I just get energized personally when I see colors that look like this. And then look at this, you're gonna have this great, huge balcony. The Amway Design District is really good about these large balconies. Look at this. You got fantastic views. This is Victory Park over there. The Katy Trail's just right over there. The American Airlines Center is over there. Uptown is over there. Downtown is over there. And then this is the Design District area. So you've got a great location that you can just quickly access almost any of the cool spots of Dallas just right here. Nice view. And then look at this amazing balcony. It's just huge. It is just monstrous. This is about 20 feet. This is one of the biggest balconies I've seen. This is amazing. I love it. So huge balcony. You can have some fantastic views, fantastic times out here. So I'm going back inside, and I want to see what it's like in here, a little bit more about this kitchen, because this is very sleek. So I really like the white. I believe that's quartz. It's just really pretty. It's got very cool lighting too. I don't know if you can see that detail, but it's very cool. It's like a wire mesh, very, very kind of futuristic, modern. I like it. This is a gray countertops here. Plenty of storage. You got so much storage here. Super nice oven. It's a Frigidaire. These are all Frigidaire appliances. Look at this white. This white look is super cool. More of that quartz there. And then, oh my goodness, look at this amazing, huge, large sink with this very modern looking gooseneck. That's super cool. Wow, love it. And then this has those wonderful pop out frosted glass shelf areas. That's just the cabinets that are awesome. It's really, really pretty. It just really stands out. This is great. So you just have a ton of space to work with here, and you've got a lot of storage space for your, not only, of course, your refrigerated appliances, but then you've got a lot around the refrigerator for non-perishable items. So plenty of space there. Very impressed. This is a study or second bedroom, whichever you prefer, and I really like this. It's artistic the way they're doing this. These shells, it's just super cool. Of course, you could put cool stuff in it, but just the look of it, I love the architectural look of it. It's awesome. And then here, I've got a cute little closet. So this definitely could be another bedroom, or it could be a study. Perfect working area for yourself. So it's really pretty. It's got this nice propeller kind of blades. Absolutely love those blades. And then let's walk in. This is the master, or I guess the bedroom, and very, very cool. So what I'm noticing is there's a good, this wall can definitely hold a king bed. There's plenty of space there. And then look at this. Oh my goodness, you're gonna have more of the propeller fans there. And then, hey, you've even got your own private balcony. So you had the big one, and if that weren't enough, that 20 feet, this is about an 8 feet private balcony that's here. This is awesome. So you can have your great views at night, and then if you have guests going on in there, maybe you're in a party and they can be enjoying still the party, but you've got a private balcony here. You've also got a beautiful bathroom. I really like it. It's got very, very chic and nice. I love this. This is really, really nice. And it's dual sink, so it looks great. And then you've got, of course, a walk-in shower that's just amazing. Absolutely love this look and feel. And then you have a really pretty tub there. So this is very pretty. I'm super impressed. really like the look and feel of this. You've got your closet is in here, and it's a good size. So it's got a lot of shelf space. Boy, this could be like a desk area, frankly. I mean, there really is a lot of space in here. It's that much space. So anyway, really, really love that. So I'm really impressed with this one-bedroom study. Great floor plan, a lot of space, really light and bright. I love it. I really do. I love the views that you have, and then I just love the light and bright. This is very cool.